So I'm going to be converting my Nashville style bridge posts here to the Faber posts that look like this. These will go in replacement of the screw-in bushings here. So I'm going to take off the bridge, take off the tailpiece, and pull these out. So I'll be back in a few. So I've loosened the strings, and so I'm going to pull off the bridge. Pull off the side. So now we've got, this is the Faber ABR 59 bridge that I put on. It just sits on the normal Nashville posts. So what I'm going to do is take out these posts. These just screw off. Right. So then what's going to happen is I'm going to pull out these bushings and put in these posts in replacement. Pull this out. Now the kit comes with this little kind of nut on the end of this stud bolt that you screw in here. And then it will push down underneath the body of the guitar and push out the bushing. Put this in there. So that's in there. So then you just kind of screw this in. As you can tell, it's raising up. So there's that off of it. So then this will then go inside like this. Just hammer it in. So that's one off. Then we're going to get the second one off. Screw this in here also. Push one down. Pull that out. Interesting. Take some of the orange copper clear off of it. Huh. So interesting. So now what we're going to do is kind of hammer those in there. Arrange this a little bit. Pressure on the headstock, so move this around a little bit. So comes with this little spacer that you put on top of this. So once it's in, so it doesn't bend the post. So then just kind of get a hammer kind of zoom this out a little bit. So get rubber mallet. Just set it up. Just tap it in a little bit. Keep hitting until it's flush. Almost there. It's flush. All right. We'll do the other one. Put the spacer on top. Hammer away. And the bridge goes. Make sure that's all lined up. Then it comes with the thumb wheels. So you just kind of put those on. To about the height, I think. Put the bridge back on it. And put the tail piece back on it. And I'll restring it. So then I'll string back up. Bridge is on there, and then you can use the thumb wheels here to raise and lower the bridge. Then, as you can see here, the post underneath there. So it's just a solid post now that goes into the body instead of a bushing that screws in. And that's it. Thanks. See ya.